Hello all my beloved children, how are you all? Welcome to your science class. Yes, today I'm going to take your science. So the chapters that you are having in your unit test 3 are chapter 6 living and non-living things and chapter 7 parts of a plant. Chapter 6 living and non-living things, chapter 7 parts of a plant. I have already sent in the group the name of the chapters. So today what we are going to do, we are going to revise those chapters. Today we will revise parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Children, turn to page number 69. Page number 69. Yes. So there are different parts of a plant. What are those? What are those? Root, stem, fruit, leaf, flower, bud. So these are the things that you are going to know in this chapter. Rupali ma'am has already completed your syllabus and question answers of these chapters are left. So we are going to revise that today, and the exercise also we will solve. Alright. So let's start with the exercise first. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Page number 74. The part of the plant that grows below the ground is called root. Number 2. A dash root appears bushy and has no main root. Fibrous root. Number 3. The dash carries water and food to all parts of a plant. Stem. The answer is stem. Don't worry, this will be sent in your group. Okay. Next. Dash helps leaves to absorb light. Dash help leaves to absorb light. Chlorophyll. Next, most flowers change into dash. Most flowers change into fruits. Okay, so now what we are going to do, there are few, choose the correct options. Roots of which of these plants are eaten by us? Spinach and mint, potato and ginger, radish and carrot, onion and mint. So the answer is radish and carrot. Number 2. Which of these parts of a plant grow on stems? Leaves, fruits, buds and flowers, all of this. So parts of a plant, which of these parts of a plant grow on stem? All of this. Which substance gives leaves a green color? You all can answer, I guess. It's chlorophyll. Next. Which of these roots does grass have? Taproot, fibrous root, beetroot, long root. It's fibrous root. Next, which part of the plant becomes a fruit? Flower. Which of the following is the gas given out by leaves? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon and air. What do we breathe? You all tell me. What do plants give us that we breathe? Which air? It's oxygen. Which gas? It's oxygen. Right. So which of these are edible seeds? Wheat and rice, corn and bean, cumin and black pepper, all of this. It's all of this. All are required. All are edible seeds. What are edible seeds? The seeds that we can eat, that are eatable, are known as edible seeds. Which of the following is a flower that we eat? Banana, broccoli, ginger, cabbage. It's broccoli. That green colored, looks like cauliflower. That is broccoli. Very short answer. The part of the plant that is above the ground. The part of the plant that is above the ground. Which part? The root or the shoot? Is the shoot. The root system in which there is a main root and many small roots growing from it It's taproot. Thick and strong stem of a tree. Trunk. The flat surface of a leaf. Leaf blade. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant. Germination. These I don't know ma'am has already given you or not, but still I have discussed once. Now the question answers we are going to discuss which you haven't done yet. So the first question is, what is a taproot? The answer, the main thick root of a plant from which small roots grow is called taproot. I repeat, the main thick root of a plant, the main root from which small roots, scattered on the ground they grow, that main root is known as the taproot. Give any two functions of roots. It helps the plant stay fixed to the soil. How does it help the plant? It helps the plant stay fixed to the soil. Yes, and it takes in water and minerals from the soil which are used by the plants for making food. You all know that plants make food, and the root helps to get to absorb those water and minerals from the soil and help in making in preparation of the food. Give any three functions of stem. It keeps the plant upright and straight. What is the function of a stem? It keeps the plant upright and straight. The stem carries water, nutrients and foods to different parts of the plant. So root absorbs those minerals and waters from the plants, and who carries it to different parts? The stem carries waters and minerals to the different parts. Leaves, buds and flowers and fruits grow on the stem. So what leaves, buds, flowers and fruits grow on the stem. Next, water edible seeds. Name two seeds used as spices. Seeds that can be eaten by us are called edible seeds. Seeds that can be eaten by us, the seeds that we eat, are known as edible seeds. Two seeds that are used as spices are mustard and cumin. What is germination? What do seeds need for germination? The process by which a seed grows into a new plant. The process by which a small seed, seeds are this small, so they grow into plants. So the process by which the seeds grow into plant are known as germination. What do seeds need for germination? Seeds need right amount of air, water, light and warmth for germination. So what do the seeds need for germination? The seeds need right amount of air, water, light and warmth for germination. Okay, so the exercise I will send, and the question answers also I will send in the group. Don't worry about that. Just go through the chapter very well. This is a very important chapter. Ma'am has already discussed it with you. That is why I haven't repeated. If I get the time before your exam, then again I will repeat this chapter. Today I have solved the exercises because it's not done. The question answers also. Alright, just learn those. Alright, it's my first class of science. Hopefully ma'am will take over at the, after a few days. Ma'am is not well, that is why she is not able to take the class. But science will be taken by Rupali ma'am only. Okay. As per I know. So you all are wondering where is Rupali ma'am. So, ma'am is actually not well. That is why I am taking your class today. So just go through the chapter well. Go through the exercise and the question answers. That will be enough for you. That will be helpful. So that's all for today, children. Stay home, stay blessed, stay safe. Take good care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.